If you have curly hair, you need to start co-washing now, and here is why. We all know it's super difficult for our curls to maintain moisture and shine, which is why curly heads only wash their hair a few times a week, sometimes only once. But with all the products we use in our hair, from leave-in conditioner to oil, form a lot of buildup on the scalp, which can lead to an itchy and irritated scalp and cause breakage. And thankfully, we found a solution to help, and that is a co-wash. And that is a method of washing your hair with a cleansing conditioner instead of a traditional shampoo, and it's gonna be a game changer to your hair care routine. So why a co-wash, you ask? Well, first off, traditional shampoos can strip your hair of its natural oil, which can cause very dry and frizzy hair. But a co-wash is actually conditioning the hair while cleansing the scalp to help maintain the natural oils and keep the curls nice and bouncy and fresh. And then secondly, co-washing can actually help reduce breakage. And we all know curly hair is very prone to breakage, and the stripping of the oils from traditional shampoos is actually adding to that problem. So co-washing is only gonna make your hair stronger and healthier. So for my curly heads, when choosing a co-wash, you wanna make sure you find one with a moisturizing formula. I like the smoothing co-wash from Geology. So start adding a co-wash to your routine, and you can thank me later.